Hello, my name is Claudia and I work with Arapahoe County CSU Extension here in Colorado. We are getting ready to start our STEM kitchen science experiment. So we're in my kitchen and we're going to be doing some fun science experiments that you guys can do at home with some household items that most all of us have inside our kitchens or pantries or various locations in our house. So we look forward to doing some fun experiments with you. In this activity, we are going to make a balloon car. So you're going to need to grab a few items from your home, a plastic bottle, 2 straws, a balloon, some bottle tops, and we're going to use these for our wheels. If you don't have bottle tops, you can use some bathroom cups or a toilet paper or paper towel roll. But if you are going to use the bottle tops, you are going to need a hammer and a nail to make the hole for your axle. You're also going to need a pair of scissors and some tape and some wooden skewers. The wooden skewers we use to make our axles. If you don't have wooden skewers, you can use some type of long stick, a lollipop stick, something of that nature. So those are the items that you'll need. Our first step in making our balloon car is we're going to work on the axles and wheels. So I've already cut my straw in half, but what you'll do is you'll just fold your straw in half and then cut it so they're fairly equal in size. And then you're going to take your skewer or popsicle, or not popsicle, but lollipop stick or whatever you are using, and you're going to cut those into equal parts. You want to make sure that because they're going to go inside your straw, you want to make sure that they overhang a little bit inside your straw there. Alright, so the next step is we're going to get ready for our wheels. Now I'm going to use my bottle caps for my wheels, and I'm going to need to use a nail to poke through the top of them. So you just take your nail and you just lightly hammer. This is where you probably could use some adult help for this. So you're going to hammer holes in all of your bottle caps. If you're using bathroom cups, you just cut the bottom off of those cups, and then you can use the hammer or a pair of scissors to just make a small hole in the end, the bottom of your cup there. For your toilet paper roll or paper towel roll, just cut 4 equal parts off of your toilet paper roll, and then you can use tape to tape those onto your wheels. So I have my wheels ready. Now I'm going to make my axle holes in my car. So the end of our car, this is going to be the back of our car. So this is the front of our car. So what we're going to do, and I'm going to use a marker to draw my holes. We want our wheel axle holes to be kind of low. That way when we put our skewer and our straw through there, our wheels will have enough space to hold the car up. Otherwise our car will bottom out and not go anywhere. So for these, I'm going to put my hole for my wheel down here. And so you want to try to make it even on all 4 sides. Alright. And then I'm going to use my nail to make the hole through here. The bottles can be really stiff and hard, so this is another area where you want to make sure you have an adult to help you. Alright, so I made my first hole there, and then I'm going to reach it right across. back wheels are technically my front wheels, sorry. Okay, now what I would do is I would take your skewer to just kind of pop it across there to make sure that those holes are going to be big enough for our straw and our skewers to go through. Okay, so we're going to put our axle through. So I'm going to put my skewer through my straw, and then I'm going to put it through my hole. You may have to guide your straw through a little bit because these holes are a little small. There's that one. Okay. So there's our first axle. Now I'm going to do the same with my back. Poke that through once, and take my straw. I skewer inside the straw, just kind of push it through. Alright. Okay. So now that we have our axles ready, we can put our wheels on our car. So I'm going to just insert my wheel onto the end of the skewer. Okay. And then we're going to do the same thing on the front. Okay. So now we have wheels on our balloon car. So in order to make our balloon car go, we are going to use the energy from an inflated balloon. So a balloon, when we blow it up, we create potential energy. So the potential energy is the air that's inside that balloon. When we release the balloon, that energy becomes kinetic energy. And kinetic energy is the energy of motion. So to get our balloon on here, we're going to actually use another straw. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the straw through part of our, through our bottle. And what the straw is going to do is it's going to direct the air that's going to come out of our balloon. So up here at the top, kind of in the middle, I'm going to poke another hole for my straw to go through. Okay. Make sure it's plenty big to get our straw through. Now if you have a straw that has a bendy top to it, those are a little bit better for this part of our car because they bend and we can bend them a little bit better. So we're making progress here. Now, what we'll do is we're going to attach our balloon to the straw, and I'll show you how to do that. So if you have a bendy straw, you're going to put the bend up here to the top, and we're going to attach our balloon to it. So the way we attach our balloon is we're going to put it over the straw, and then we're going to use some tape. And just tape balloon to tape around the balloon neck to the straw. I'm going to put one more round of tape on there. Okay, so now we can test our car out. To test our car out, we're going to blow up our balloon. We're going to use our straw, so you're just going to blow into your straw. And you're going to hold the end of your straw until you're ready to start your engine. So, ladies and gentlemen, let's start our engines. And that's how you make a balloon car. You're welcome to change the direction that the straw is pointing. Work with your wheels, try them in different configurations just to see how that changes your balloon car. But thanks for joining.